So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy PAX Gold, ticker symbol PAXG on Kraken. Once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on Explorer, then go to the top search bar and type in PAXG. Now, if it doesn't appear for you, another way you can find it is to press on X right here, press on Cancel, go to Home, go to Most Popular, scroll down, press on See More, and then you can find it under the See More popularity chart. So if we just keep scrolling down, we'll be able to go ahead and find PAX Gold or PAX Gold. Press on it right here. Now, because I'm in Canada, it's not available in my region for me. But if you're in a region that does allow this crypto, you can go to the bottom right, press on the purple buy button, and then proceed with the steps that way. So that is how to buy PAX Gold, ticker symbol PAXG on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.